Hi y'all, Gary here, DiecastmanToys. Got a new layout here, so thought I'd make up a little truck stop, bring this stuff around. Let's see if I can move her around a little bit. Got Challenge, Giant Supermarket, Swisher, Caterpillar Racing Team, Almond Joy, the one that has the Mounds on the other side. Got a Christmas one. Carlos Leffler, Texaco supplier. And here's the tanker of R. Carlos Leffler. Hershey's Kiss. Got Milk tanker. Hershey's Autumn Car Show, 1981. And then Reese's Pieces and the Hershey's milk chocolate. Got a KitKat down at that end with a double with a Reese's on the back and another Leffler straight truck tanker. Made up a little store too for service. First up, got the Challenge Coast to Coast. This has a Ford CL 9000 LTL cab, day cab. I might be better off if I have it on it, right? Let me move it ahead a little. Sorry about that. Up next, Giant Food Store. This is a Ford CL 9000 LTL day cab. It's got the fairing on the top. Refrigerated truck. Here we got Twizzler. This has a Mac cab sleeper. Fairing on the top. Up next, Caterpillar Racing Team. This has the lowboy trailer, so I could put two cars in. This has the Ford Aeromax cab with a sleeper. Trailer's got air conditioning where the refrigeration system would go for refrigerated trailer. Another one, Peter Paul Mounds. It's got Almond Joy on the other side. This has a Ford CL 9000 LTL. I'll spin it around. Almond Joy on this side. Here we got Merry Christmas from Winross. Has a Ford cab. I'm not sure if it's a CL 9000 or not. Doesn't have the stacks, or they're missing. Up next, this is a Reese's and a KitKat double. Has a international cab, day cab. Nice unit. Up next is Carlos R. Leffler Incorporated. They're the Texaco suppliers. Got a straight truck with a tanker on the back. Has a Kenworth cab. Up next is Hershey's. This is for Hershey's Cocoa and Hershey's candy bars. Got a Ford CL 9000 LTL cab, day cab. Up next is Hershey's Reese's Pieces. Has a a Kenworth cab, day cab. Up next is Hershey, Pennsylvania Antique Car Show, October of '91. This has a Ford CL 9000 LTL cab, day cab. Has the low boy trailer so they can put cars in them. Up next is Hershey's Milk Chocolate, made on the farm. Tanker truck. Has a Ford CL 9000 LTL cab, day cab. Up next, Hershey's Kisses. Has the CL 9000 LTL cab, day cab. Up next is Carlos R. Leffler Incorporated tanker truck. It's got a Ford CL 9000 LTL cab. They move Texaco products. I got a Carlos R. Leffler trailer, straight one. 50th anniversary. Has a Kenworth cab, day cab. And again, they're wrapped around Texaco shell. And here's some of the packaging. This is more of a premium package for the 50th anniversary. It's got a little placard there. Okay, that's it from Gary's Truck Stop. Hope you enjoyed your video here. I'd appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments. Here's my Facebook. Here's my email. Trucks are for sale. I'll post them down in the notes with the amounts. Thank you. Have fun hunting.